In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete more than one camera upload on Dropbox. This is a handy skill to have, especially if your Dropbox is getting cluttered and you need to make some space, or if you simply want to keep things neat and organized. So let's dive right into the steps you'll need to follow. First, you want to start by heading over to Dropbox.com. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the URL, or simply click on your bookmark if you have it saved. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. Enter your credentials and hit the login button. If you have two-factor authentication set up, ensure that you have your phone handy because you might need to verify your login attempt. With you now logged into your Dropbox, you should see your home page with all your files and folders laid out before you. Next up, look for the folder where your camera uploads are stored. This might take a bit of scrolling if you have numerous files, but typically there's a camera uploads folder that's easily recognizable. Once you spot it, click into the folder to access all the photos you've saved over time. Now, when it comes to selecting the photos you want to delete, you don't have to go through the tedious task of deleting them one by one. Instead, look for little checkboxes next to each photo. You should see these on the left side of the file names. Go ahead and click on these checkboxes to select multiple photos at once. A quick tip here is to use the Shift key if you want to select a range of files. Simply click the first file, hold the Shift key, and then click the last file in the range. This will select all the files in between as well. With your files now selected, the next step becomes possible. Look towards the top of your screen. You should see a few different options pop up once you have selected your photos. Among these options is Delete. Click on the Delete button, and a prompt should appear asking you to confirm that you indeed wish to delete these files. Take a moment here to make sure that you have selected the correct files, because once they're deleted, it'll be a bit of a hassle to recover them. Finally, click on Delete once more to confirm your selection. Your photos will be moved to the Deleted Items section of your Dropbox. If ever you change your mind within 30 days, Dropbox usually allows you to recover deleted files, so make sure to check this folder if you accidentally deleted something important. And there you have it. That's how you quickly and efficiently delete multiple camera uploads from your Dropbox. Hopefully this walkthrough has been straightforward and easy to follow, so you can keep your storage clean and organized.